മഴയല്ലേ? സെയിം പ്ലേസ് ഹൈദരാബാദ്. ഓക്കെ. ഹൈദരാബാദ് ഹൗസ്. എൻ്റെ വാച്ച് ആക്ച്വലി എൻ്റെ മൊബൈലുമായിട്ട് കമ്പാറ്റബിൾ ആണ്. പക്ഷേങ്കിൽ എന്തോ ഞാൻ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ടൈമാണ്. അതെ അതെ, ഇന്നാളെ ഡിന്നർ കഴിച്ചോ? ബക്കറിയെ പിടിക്കാം. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് വന്നു ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റോട്ട് വന്നത് Very great job. Yeah. Yeah. We'll come back. അതെ അതെ, ഇത് പുതിയ ബക്കറ. അന്നത്തെ ആട് പുതിയ ബക്കറ. അന്നത്തെ ആട് നയാ നയാ ये तो छोटी बकरा है. Live shooting. Yeah, thank you.
എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള നന്മകൾക്കും അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന സ്നേഹത്തിനും എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന സ്നേഹത്തിനും നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി 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 എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എന്നേശുപരാ. ജീവിത ശൂന്യതയിൽ നടുവിൽ നിറവായ അനുഗ്രഹം ചൊരിഞ്ഞുവല്ലോ. ജീവിത ശൂന്യതയിൽ നടുവിൽ നിറവായ അനുഗ്രഹം ചൊരിഞ്ഞുവല്ലോ. നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എന്നേശുപരാ. നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എന്നേശുപരാ. എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള നന്മകൾക്കും അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന സ്നേഹത്തിനും എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള നന്മകൾക്കും അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന സ്നേഹത്തിനും നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എന്നേശുപരാ. നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എന്നേശുപരാ.
I'll show you guys. I mean, you can see back here, and I don't know, like you're
വന്ന കാര്യം
Overlay. Yeah, you can't stop it. It's you have to. That's why you have to watch way in front of you what's going on, so you can try to stop. You know, there's somebody jumps in front of you, but you can stand up on it as hard as you can, and it's not. It's just
Don't get you enough
right. There's just not
time to
a,
get stop it.
right. There's not weight pushing.
Yeah, that's inertia. That is known as inertia.
It's inertia, yeah.
The weight and the speed. Accelerate the inertia. Yeah, exactly.
You
Yeah.
cannot
So
stop
you
it.
gotta stop. And then, so when you think about that, when you're driving along, somebody does that. This bus can know.
Yeah, no, it is not a
everything you can to keep an eye on this
Yeah.
guy. You know, what's he gonna do? You'll see me back off sometime. And it really.
because there is a kinetic energy it is gaining. The energy. The weight moving in a high speed. The energy, kinetic energy is gained.
Right.
It cannot be decelerated to zero in a moment.
Right. Right.
It is the inertia making it to the very next.
You can, let's say, go 60 miles an hour and stomp on it, and it won't stop. It'll slow down
Yeah.
really fast. It'll throw you. It'll be going.
Yeah, that is why the new trucks and trailers are the engine braking. It should decelerate with the engine brake.
This has got a three-stage transmission.
Transmission.
Yeah, so it's got a. So I can let off of the accelerator.
Right.
And the RPMs will go.
Oh,
It'll
okay.
settle back down to. I don't know,
Yeah,
whatever.
the technical thing. Yeah.
It's 6 speeds.
Yes, yeah.
So as soon as I let off the foot pedal,
Yeah.
it'll kick into and you'll see the RPMs.
Yeah, slumping. Yeah.
And it helps.
Yeah, that is the engine brake.
Yeah.
Engine brake.
Yeah.
While riding, maintaining like sudden.
Yeah, I go, this bus is governed at like 71. So most places we go, it goes 75. Or can. We go 75. I just put my foot in it and we go 71. And that's what we do. We go 71 miles an hour.
Keeping in cruise control.
Yeah, sometimes I do. Yeah, I do. Sometimes I don't do cruise control just because I like the feeling of being. And if I just sit there,
Yeah.
but I like being able to.
Mostly you travel while we are traveling in 70s.
Yeah, 70 miles an hour. Can't make up a lot of time.
Try it. That's the average time you keep up when you reach what time
We're having
some of the guys over there.
Yeah, calls. Yeah, this is calls. This is calls.
ജീവിത ശൂന്യതയിൽ നടുവിൽ
അത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഡ്യൂപ്ലിക്കേറ്റ്.
അനുഗ്രഹം ചൊരിഞ്ഞുവല്ലോ ജീവിത ശൂന്യതയിൽ നടുവിൽ നിറവായ അനുഗ്രഹം ചൊരിഞ്ഞുവല്ലോ നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എൻ യേശുവരാ നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എൻ യേശുവരാ
ആരൊക്കെയാ വിളിക്കുന്നത്?
എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള നന്മകൾക്കും അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന നിൻ സ്നേഹത്തിനും എണ്ണമില്ലാതുള്ള നന്മകൾക്കും അത്ഭുതമാർന്ന നിൻ സ്നേഹത്തിനും നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എൻ യേശുവരാ നന്ദി നന്ദി എൻ ദൈവമേ നന്ദി എൻ യേശുവരാ
I can tell you a lot of stories.
Yeah.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വന്ന കാര്യം
Hi everyone, this is HV Travels from Houston, Texas, and we are on the way coming back from Kentucky from Noah's Ark, and this is Nashville, and we are having a dinner, a lunch place at Hyderabadi House, Biryani Palace at Nashville, and right now we are leaving back to Houston, so please support. And this is our driver Larry, and he's on board, and he loves to welcome everyone. So this is our group.
Sorry, there's a bug.
We got 53 people on board right now.
Excuse me. Daddy എന്നല്ലേ പേര്? ഇതിനകത്തൊരു bug ഉണ്ട്. മറ്റേ mask ഉണ്ട്.
That's okay. We'll carry him.
No.
We'll carry him.
Yeah, Larry is going to kill the wasp. It's over here. Yeah. So you can see our group actually from Houston. What's your name, sir?
Seni.
Seni. And what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Shiny.
Shiny. Okay. And what's your name, sir?
Yeah, Benny Thomas.
Father Benny Thomas.
Yeah.
And you, sir?
I'm James.
Brother James
Yeah.
from Houston. Okay. Please tell your name, please.
Dallas, from Dallas.
From Dallas. What's your name? Your name, mom?
Achama.
Okay. And what about you, ma'am?
Matthew.
Omna Matthew. Okay.
Hi,
Hello,
Sydney
hello.
From Houston. Sydney from Houston.
Yes. What's your name, ma'am?
Nina from Houston.
Nice to meet you. What's your name, sir?
Sakriya Woman.
Okay. And ma'am?
I'm Sissy from St. Thomas here.
Okay. Very good. And your name, ma'am?
Shoba Davidson from St. Thomas here.
Okay. Then husband and wife, right? Yes. Okay. Very good. And your name, sir?
Matthew Davidson.
Matthew James. Okay. And your sir?
Davidson.
Matthew Davidson. Okay. And your name, sir?
Titi, Matthew, and Minnie.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, ma'am. And your name, sir?
40
Your name, sir?
Abraham.
Abraham. Okay. And your name, sir?
Eben Jacobson.
Eben Jacob?
Yeah.
And your name, sir?
I'm Vinu. I'm from Kottayam.
Oh, Kottayam. Nice to meet you. Bobby. And your name, sir? Okay, nice to meet you all. So this is my group from Houston, Texas. Guys, just enjoy with them. Okay. Your name? Lali. Molly Simon. Okay. And your name, sir? I like your hairstyle. And your name, ma'am? Shirley. Okay. Your name, sir? Joshi. Tangamani. Oh, wow. That's a nice name. And your name, ma'am? Mercy. Can you sing a song for us? Please. जब से तुझे मैंने देखा सनम मेरे ख्वाबों में तू. You like the song, right? Yeah. Okay, very good. Your name, ma'am? Subi. Husband? Rajan. Okay. അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു. ജോർജ് ഈശോ. അമ്മയുടെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു. എലിയമ്മ? ജോർജ്. ഓ വാവ്. ഓക്കെ. അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു അച്ഛാ. ജോർജ്. അമ്മമ്മയുടെ? എൽസി. ഓക്കെ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു. കോശി എബ്രഹാം. മാമയുടെ? ലീലാമ്മ. Very good. Oh, so this is our CSI per church group, and we are so happy to welcome them. അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു. Sunny Matthew.
Lily Matthew.
Oh wow. Okay. അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് പറഞ്ഞു. Cicely. Okay. And this is our special guest. Oh my God. Okay. And Mr. Matthew and his family. So he will introduce himself. Please, sir. Go ahead.
Oh my God. I'm Matthew Jacob,
Okay.
Houstonian.
Okay.
My wife is
And Mama,
Matthew.
what's your name?
My name is Lizzie Matthew.
Lizzie Matthew. Okay. And we have a special guest here. Okay.
Ando.
Ando. Lovely, Ando and Lovely. They're a beautiful family. We love them. Okay, now we are introducing to a new family who is the bone of this trip. That is Mr. and Mrs. Tom. What's your name, sir?
Hi, my name is Tom Thomas, and this is my wife, Maya Thomas.
Mama, your name?
Maya Tom.
Maya Thomas. Okay. And we are missing two people in the seat. Okay, and they are in the back. Ashik. Wow.
My name is Sergeant from Houston.
Sergeant from Houston.
One good love, Sergeant.
Okay, so this is my beautiful family today, and we are traveling from Kentucky.
There was only one guy who came with a glass of something. I don't know. It was white.
That was a buttermilk.
Oh, I don't know. അത് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോ മലയാളം
Okay, we have our father and his family. So we like to introduce our father, Father Benny, and his family.
Honey.
Sister, what's your name?
Annie.
Okay, and baby, what's your name?
Nessa.
Nessa. Okay, Nessa. Nice to meet you guys.
Same here.
And we have Larry with us. And oh my God! Okay, and he's so happy.
I'm almost done working for the day. How about that?
I know, Larry. Thank you so much for driving for us
Oh, I love
and
it.
taking
I love
us.
it. I love it.
And
Thank
God bless you, brother.
you. Thank you. I enjoy it.
Yep.
I enjoy it all the time.
Thank you, brother.